Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to disable image zoom and Lightbox on WooCommerce product pages. This is particularly useful if you want to streamline your product pages and prevent customers from accidentally triggering pop-ups or zoom features that might disrupt their browsing experience. First, open a browser and navigate to wordpress.com. If you haven't already logged into your account, go ahead and do so now. Make sure you're using the account that's connected to your WooCommerce store so you can access all the necessary settings and customization tools. Once you're logged in, look to the left navigation menu and click on Appearance. This section controls all the visual aspects of your website. When you click it, an expanded menu will appear with several options. From these options, click on Editor. This will take you to the Web Store Designer page where you can make deeper customization changes to your site's structure and functionality. From your Web Store Designer page, click on Pages in the left navigation panel. A list of all the pages under your web store will be presented. From here, look for your products page, which is typically the shop page. Once you've located and opened the product page, look for the three-dot icon on the top right part of your screen. Click on this icon and an expanded menu will appear. From here, select Code Editor. This is where you'll be able to add custom code that controls specific features on your product pages. Now from this code editor screen, scroll down to the very bottom. I'll be flashing a code on the screen that you need to paste to disable image zoom and Lightbox on your WooCommerce products page. You can pause the video to copy this line of code if needed. Once you've copied it, simply paste it into the editor and add a new line to keep your code clean and organized. After adding the line of code, click on Save on the top right part of your screen. This will apply the changes to your product pages. You may need to wait a moment for the changes to process and save completely, so don't navigate away from the page too quickly. And that's it. You've successfully disabled the image zoom and Lightbox features on your WooCommerce product pages, giving your customers a cleaner and more straightforward shopping experience. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.